Have you ever thought that the words you choose may hold the secret to a prosperous and meaningful life? Imagine having the ability to immediately link with the energy of the cosmos with every sound you make. Now consider this. What if there were a word so potent that it had the ability to alter your world entirely? The secret you've been looking for could be what you're about to learn. Could it be that, without even recognizing it, you are obstructing your own route to prosperity? Is it possible that your ignorance of your own inner strength is preventing you from achieving your greatest goals? You are not alone, and the answer is yes. A lot of individuals unwittingly miss out on the possibilities that the universe presents to them. The good news is that a remedy does exist, and it all begins with a single, straightforward word. Today, we will discuss an almost forgotten fact, a secret that only a select few have discovered, a holy term in the ancient and potent language of Aramaic that may help you align your energy with the frequency of success. I would want to ask you to support this message for a moment before we go into the specifics. Please like this video, follow the channel, and forward this important information to others who might find it useful. Add something for which you are thankful today in the comments section as well. This small action not only makes positive energy flow around you, but it also makes it possible for you to get more of what you want. The language of Aramaic has a rich spiritual and historical heritage. Many academics think that Jesus himself utilized it to communicate his most important lessons, since it was widely spoken in the Middle East during the time of Jesus. However, what is so unique about Aramaic? It is a distinct vibration that directly connects with the forces of the cosmos and is more than just a language. Spirituality experts claim that this frequency has the ability to clear bad energy patterns and draw in what you really want. The important thing is to realize that the energy we release affects the cosmos. And if you speak a single word in Aramaic correctly, it might be the spark that ignites the flow of fortune in your life. Are you prepared to learn this potent secret? Aramaic is a conduit to energy realms beyond the material world, not only a language. Its phrases are seen as keys that unlock doorways to higher vibratory levels, particularly those employed in spiritual endeavors. In addition to influencing our vision, these frequencies have the power to alter reality in ways that, although being imperceptible, have a significant and enduring effect on our lives. Now picture using this strong force to speak a word that aligns your life with success and riches by immediately connecting with the powers of the cosmos and resonating in the atmosphere. Despite its magical appearance, this idea makes sense because when we make a sound, we are creating a vibration, and this vibration has the power to change the course of events to our advantage. Interesting. Understanding the background and scope of this activity is crucial before exposing this unique term. Let's consider the influence of words. The saying, "words have power," may be familiar to you, but what does it actually mean? Words are more than just letters and sounds to spiritual leaders and instructors throughout history. They are energy-carrying beings with the power to change circumstances and bring about opportunities. Every word has a frequency of vibration. They may be effective instruments for affecting reality if used appropriately and at the appropriate moment. This idea, which is also the foundation of the law of attraction, states that our thoughts, feelings, and words cause events to return to us. We are a part of the continuous vibration of the cosmos. In the world's energy field, our words, ideas, and feelings are like seeds that we plant. Words in the Aramaic language have a high, pure vibration that immediately relates to global energy. They are therefore perfect instruments for aligning our frequency with the things we want to draw in. However, simply knowing the right term to employ is insufficient for this technique to be effective. Knowing how words affect our individual vibration is essential. Aligning our speech with our aim and emotion at the same time is crucial. If the law of attraction is correct and everything in the universe is energy, then our words have the ability to significantly influence our reality. Our words have an impact on our surroundings as well as our inner lives. Our link to prosperity may be strengthened by these vibrating waves, but only if we are conscious of their influence. Aligning your vibration with the frequency of plenty is essential if you want to draw money and prosperity into your life. Intention alone is not enough. As an energy tuner that modifies and strengthens your connection to the global flow of prosperity, the Aramaic word becomes a vital tool in this process. This word is unique not just because of its sound, but also because it has a profound resonance with the forces of the cosmos. However, mechanical repetition alone is insufficient for its actual power to materialize. The purpose and feeling you put into utilizing it are crucial. A word's vibration is lessened when it is said without any emotional resonance. However, the energy you radiate is magnified and aligned with your greatest aspirations when you add authentic feeling to it. One of the pillars of the law of attraction and the focal point of manifestation practice is this fundamental idea. You must first establish the proper mental and emotional conditions in order to fully benefit from this instrument. Eliminate any remaining uncertainty or skepticism that could serve as an energy obstacle. Instead, concentrate on imagining a situation in which you currently experience wealth on a regular basis. Shut your eyes and visualize a day soon when you have already achieved your financial objectives. Experience the delight of having everything you've ever desired, the security of knowing that money is always coming your way, and the peace of mind that comes from not having to worry about money. This visualization practice prepares you to use the Aramaic word successfully by increasing your vibration and fortifying your connection to the cosmos. In this procedure, repetition is essential. The connection between your own energy and the frequency of abundance is strengthened each time you repeat the phrase with emotion and desire. This deliberate action not only improves your relationship with the universe, but it also makes it quite evident that you are prepared to get what you are due. You will start to observe changes in your surroundings as you incorporate this exercise into your everyday routine. While individual outcomes may differ, perseverance and trust in the process are crucial. The transformation this word brings about by bringing your energy into alignment with the global flow is just as powerful as its meaning. Although manifestation takes time, you may pave the way for a prosperous and wealthy life with perseverance and determination. Consistency and faith in the process are prerequisites for true transformation. You are clearly communicating to the universe that you are prepared to accept the abundance that is properly yours by incorporating the usage of the Aramaic phrase into your everyday activities. The wonderful thing is that this riches might show up in unexpected ways, like an unforeseen opportunity, extra cash, or even a present you never would have thought to give. But more important than the exterior situation is your inner preparedness to accept whatever the universe has in store for you. For this exercise to be effective, mental and emotional preparation is essential. It takes more than merely repeating a phrase. In order for the energy to flow freely, you must establish the proper atmosphere both inside and outside of yourself. Start by locating a space where you can concentrate on your energies and tune out outside distractions. It might be a peaceful area of your house, a place in the outdoors, or any nook and cranny where you feel attuned to yourself. What matters is that this area facilitates your focus and present moment awareness. Breathe deeply for a few minutes after you arrive here. Imagine that you are filling yourself with clarity and serenity with every breath. Release any tension, anxieties, or ideas that could be interfering with your concentration with each exhale. Your energy is ready for the following level, which is visualization. Thanks to this easy exercise, shut your eyes and see a life full of plenty. Imagine having a steady, organic income that allows you to live without worrying about money. Enjoy the satisfaction of achieving your financial objectives and express thanks for what you have been given. You may attract what you want by creating a stronger energy field around yourself with a more vivid image. The foundation for the Aramaic word's full potential is this preparation. No matter how strong the words are, they cannot fully express their energy without a supportive atmosphere and an emotional state that is in alignment. Every repeat must thus be imbued with sincere intention and emotion. You will get closer to your goals with regular practice as you see this link to the frequency of prosperity start to show up in your day-to-day activities. It is crucial to keep in mind that although words are energy carriers, their actual strength comes from the intention and feeling they evoke. The discovery of the Aramaic word that has the power to change your reality is the pivotal moment. Shalom is this word. Its force and meaning extend much beyond its literal translation as peace, even though you may have heard it in religious or spiritual contexts. Shalom is a remarkable vibrational weapon when said with intention, particularly when considering the law of attraction and the manifestation of prosperity. Its core extends beyond inner peace. It symbolizes a condition of complete harmony with the cosmos, a state of perfect balance that creates opportunities for riches. Saying shalom is more than just wishing for peace. It is a declaration of energy that harmonizes your frequency with the flow of prosperity that is universal. Imagine this word as a key that synchronizes your energy with a high, transforming frequency, like a secret code. How does this occur? The word's innate resonance contains the secret. Words are representations of energy with certain frequencies. They are more than simply sounds. Shalom is a special and potent vibration that is connected to peace, prosperity, harmony, and the flow of abundant riches on a global scale. Consciously using this term means creating a channel of energy that lets money come to you organically. As you visualize your financial objectives and pronounce shalom with composure and purpose, you are strengthening the link between your intention and the universal energy. Every repeat modifies your unique frequency, bringing it into line with your preferences, much like tuning a musical instrument. Repetition is essential if you want to use this term in your life. Include it in your everyday routine, whether it is before bed, during meditation, or at times when you need to reflect. Over time, regular practice will strengthen your connection to the shalom vibration and increase its effectiveness. Writing the word on paper and putting it beneath your pillow before bed is another method. Shalom serves as a bridge that synchronizes your energy with success when you sleep, when the subconscious mind is most open. Your objectives are more likely to materialize in the physical world as a result of this process, which takes place in the background as you sleep. Using this term during visualization exercises is another excellent use case. Say shalom intentionally as you see your life filled with plenty. This strengthens the energy field you are generating, which further aligns the word's frequency with your objectives. You will have a strong connection with the energy of abundance if you include shalom into your everyday life. You will get closer to achieving the harmony and prosperity you so desperately want with each repeat. Reciting the word shalom strengthens the link between your mind and the universe by helping you visualize your goals as though they were already accomplished, whether they be moving to a new place, seeing the world, or achieving your financial objectives. By serving as an energy anchor, this word's vibration strengthens the mental pictures you are forming, increasing their potency and effectiveness during the manifestation process. The secret to optimizing this impact is consistency. You will start to notice effects more quickly if you repeat shalom with intention and attention, as you would with any spiritual or manifestation practice. It is a potent vibrational weapon that demands dedication rather than a magic phrase that changes your life overnight. You'll start to observe notable improvements in your personal and financial life via emotional connection and deliberate repetition. You may create new chances and make little but significant changes in your thinking by implementing this word into your daily routine and keeping a clear vision of your goals. Wealth seldom materializes as a magical occurrence. Rather, it happens gradually as a result of fresh perspectives, doors opening, and a shift in how you view the world. You will eventually start to encounter unanticipated breakthroughs, such as job advancements, fruitful initiatives, creative ideas, or unexpected revenue. However, this approach has many advantages beyond only the monetary realm. Your inner self may be changed by shalom, which can assist you in cultivating an abundant attitude. When you embrace this new way of thinking, you stop seeing money to be a finite resource and start to see it as a natural and continuous flow of the universe that is always at your disposal. The reason this change in perspective is so important is because when you align yourself with the energy of plenty, you let go of concerns about scarcity and start to believe that you deserve everything the universe has to offer. Repeating shalom for at least 21 days in a row will help to enhance this practice. Observe how your life gradually changes, especially in ways you never would have thought possible. Be open to these possibilities because acknowledging and embracing the obstacles the universe places in your path is essential to obtaining the money you seek. This message of transformation and strength is now complete. Now you know how powerful the word shalom is and how it may help you connect your energy with the frequency of fulfillment and wealth. You will get closer to realizing your ideal life, one that is prosperous, tranquil, and balanced, by using this strategy on a regular basis. Hour is the ideal moment to become a member of our community of learning and growth if you haven't already. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and forward this message to anybody who might find it useful. We also encourage you to share your demos and experiences in the comments section. By working together, we may build an abundant and thankful network that encourages others on their path. We appreciate your participation in this adventure. To get a deeper grasp of spiritual teachings and the law of attraction, as well as to broaden your knowledge for a more complete and wiser life, don't forget to watch our other videos.